If you're new to business, it can be easy to think that payroll starts and stops at issuing checks to your employees. But this isn't the case. In today's video, we'll be going over the payroll tax obligations business owners with employees need to be aware of. Form 941 is the employer's quarterly tax return that employers have to file at the end of April, July, October, and January. This return reports the number of employees that you had for that quarter, as well as their wages and the withholdings for federal income tax. Form 941 also reports both the employee and employer share of FICA taxes, which are for Social Security and Medicare. These taxes should match up to the payroll tax deposits that were remitted throughout the quarter. The next thing we're going to look at is state unemployment. Depending on what state you're in, you'll have to file a quarterly unemployment report, which is due at the same times as the 941. For example, if you're in Texas, then you would go to the Texas Workforce Commission and file a quarterly report through them. The amount you'll pay is based off of a certain percentage, which you will receive by mail. You can also log into the state unemployment website to find out your annual rate. The reason these reports need to be filed is that most states require employers to pay a percentage of state unemployment for their employees. In the state of Texas, that percentage is 2.7% for the first year. However, these rates are subject to change after your first year. This is an example of Texas's C3 form. It's a quarterly report, but every state is a little bit different. Your state's form may not look the same. The other three basic payroll forms business owners have to file are due yearly on January 31st, the first of which is the W-2. This form does not just need to be distributed to each employee, it must also be filed with the IRS. The IRS will then send a copy to the Social Security Administration office as well. Not filing these forms with the IRS or SSA may result in a civil penalty, so it's important to remember to send them out to the IRS, not just to your employees. Once you submit all of your W-2s, you will also be required to submit a W-3. This form is a summary of all of your W-2s for the year. The wages on your W-3 must match what is going to be reported on your tax return. Lastly, all employers are required to file Form 940, Employer's Annual Federal Tax Return. You're required to pay 0.6% of the first $7,000 in wages you pay to each employee in federal unemployment tax. This is equivalent to $42 per employee based on current regulations. Altogether, this means that you will be responsible for filing 11 payroll tax reports per year if you have employees, including yourself, on payroll. If you need help with your business's taxes, get in touch. Our CPAs are happy to help. If this video helped you understand your payroll tax obligations as a business owner, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And from all of us here at the XQ CPA team, thanks for watching.